What if I told you that everything you can see in the night sky, every single star you've ever looked at, represents just one tiny galaxy out of 2 trillion? 2 trillion galaxies. That number is so big, it breaks human intuition. And the shocking truth is, we didn't even know this until 2016. Scientists were wrong about the universe by a factor of 10. Today we're going to blow your mind with what astronomers have discovered about the sheer scale of our cosmos. Buckle up, because after this video, you will never look at the night sky the same way again. For decades, scientists estimated there were around 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe. That was the textbook answer taught in schools worldwide. Then in 2016, astronomers at the University of Nottingham published a landmark study using data from the Hubble Space Telescope. They used sophisticated 3D modeling to count galaxies we couldn't even see directly. Galaxies too faint, too distant, or hidden by cosmic dust. Their conclusion? The real number is at least 2 trillion galaxies. That's 10 times more than we thought. Think about that for a second. For a century, humanity was wrong about the universe. Not by a small margin, but by a factor of 10. This isn't science fiction. This is peer-reviewed astronomy published in the Astrophysical Journal. Before we go further, let's make sure we understand exactly what we're talking about. A galaxy is not just a cluster of stars. A galaxy is a gravitationally bound system containing stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gases, dust, and dark matter. The glue holding it all together, gravity, and at the center of most large galaxies, a supermassive black hole. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, contains somewhere between 100 and 400 billion stars, and it stretches roughly 100,000 light-years across. To cross it at the speed of light would take 100,000 years. And the Milky Way is not even a large galaxy, it's average, medium-sized. There are galaxies out there containing trillions of stars within a single galaxy alone. Now multiply that by 2 trillion galaxies. The number of individual stars in the observable universe is estimated at 200 sextillion. That's a 2 followed by 23 zeros. Scientists believe there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on every beach and desert on Earth, combined. Here's where it gets even more mind-bending. Everything we've been talking about in the 2 trillion galaxies, that's just the observable universe, the part we can actually see. The observable universe is limited by the speed of light and the age of the universe, 13.8 billion years. We can only see light that has had time to reach us. Beyond that boundary, we simply don't know. But physics suggests the universe extends far beyond what we can observe. Some models estimate the full universe could be at least 250 times larger than the observable portion. Some physicists argue it's infinite. Infinite, no edge, no boundary, just galaxies, stretching on forever in every direction. And if the universe is infinite, then mathematically, everything that can happen does happen, somewhere out there, including potentially civilizations like ours, or stranger things we haven't imagined yet. Here's a fact that will genuinely haunt you. The universe is expanding, and the further away a galaxy is, the faster it moves away from us. At a certain distance called the Hubble radius, galaxies are moving away from us faster than the speed of light. Not because they're violating Einstein's laws, but because space itself is stretching. This means there are galaxies out there that we can see right now. Ancient light that has traveled billions of years to reach our telescopes, but that we will never ever reach. Even if we traveled at the speed of light forever, they are moving away faster than we could ever chase them. We're essentially looking at ghosts. These galaxies may look completely different today. They may have merged, exploded, or evolved beyond recognition. We're seeing them as they were billions of years ago. Snapshots frozen in time, dark matter and dark energy. So we have 2 trillion galaxies, billions of stars each, planets beyond counting. And yet, here's the really shocking part. All of that, everything we can see, everything we've described, makes up only 5% of the universe. 5%. The other 95% is something we cannot see, cannot touch, and barely understand. About 27% is dark matter, invisible mass that holds galaxies together through gravity. Without it, galaxies would fly apart. We know it exists because we can see its gravitational effects, but we have never directly detected a single dark matter particle. The remaining 68% is even stranger: dark energy, a mysterious force causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate. We don't know what it is, we just know it's there, pushing everything apart, and it's winning. The universe is mostly made of things we don't understand. That's the honest truth of modern cosmology. Are we alone? The Fermi paradox. With 2 trillion galaxies, each containing billions of stars, many with planets, the question becomes unavoidable. Are we alone? Statistically, the answer seems obvious. If only large planets developed life, that would still be billions upon billions of inhabited worlds. The math screams that life should be everywhere. And yet, silence. This is the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked, "Where is everybody?" In all our listening, radio telescopes scanning the skies for decades, we have received no confirmed signal, no beacon, no hello from another civilization. Nothing. The possible explanations are chilling. Maybe intelligent life is incredibly rare. We might be the first. Maybe civilizations destroy themselves before they can reach out. Maybe others are out there hiding. Or maybe the distances are simply too vast. Messages traveling at the speed of light would take thousands of years to arrive. The universe is enormous enough to contain everything, and silent enough to terrify us. The shocking final truth. So let's bring it all together. Here are the shocking truths. There are at least 2 trillion galaxies, 10 times more than we knew just a decade ago. The number of stars is estimated at 200 sextillion, more than grains of sand on Earth. 95% of the universe is invisible to us. Dark matter and dark energy we cannot explain. Most galaxies are moving away forever. We can see them, but can never reach them. The universe may be infinite, meaning this isn't the only reality, just one tiny slice of something far greater. And perhaps most shocking of all, with all of this vastness, we still don't know if we're alone. The universe is not just big, it's incomprehensibly, outrageously, humblingly enormous. And we are one pale blue dot, orbiting one ordinary star, in one average galaxy, among 2 trillion others. Carl Sagan once said that the cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff. The iron in your blood was forged in a supernova explosion billions of years ago. You are literally made of the universe, looking back at itself. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember, what you see is just the prologue. The real story stretches out trillions of light years in every direction. And here at Space and Universe Secrets, we are going to keep exploring it together. If this video made you feel small and amazed at the same time, that's exactly how you're supposed to feel. That feeling is called the overview effect, and astronauts who see Earth from space describe it the same way. You are now part of the Space and Universe Secrets family, and this community is all about one thing: unlocking the hidden secrets of space and the universe together. So here is what I need you to do right now. First, subscribe to Space and Universe Secrets if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon so YouTube notifies you every time we drop a new video. We post every week, and every single video will change how you see the cosmos. Second, drop a comment below. I want to know, does the size of the universe make you feel hopeful or terrified? Read every single comment, and I will reply to as many as I can. Third, share this video. Send it to one person right now who needs their mind blown today. Help us grow the Space and Universe Secrets community so we can keep making content like this. Thank you so much for watching. The universe is waiting. See you in the next secret.